Let's play a game. How many F's are there? Okay, you have a 3 seconds. Time's up. Okay, guys, time's up. Now, raise your hand if you seen 3F. Yes, I have also seen the 3Fs. Okay, tell me if anyone seen the 4F. Anyone seen 5F? Anyone seen 6Fs? Yes, guys, there are 6Fs. And believe me, when I saw this for the first time, I also seen the 3F. That's cool, na? Okay, let's move to our topic. Hi everyone, my name is Shiva Pangini, and today I want to give you a financial wake up call. If you are doing any 9 to 5 jobs or 10 to 5 jobs, no matter what's the timing that you are doing, the thing is, if you are doing any job, if you are employee, then you should follow top 5 financial golden rules that I am today going to share with you all. And believe me, rule number 3 has been completely changed my life. So let's get started. And before start, just wanted to share with you all, my English is not fluent. That's why I started this program. From now, you will see me in maximum videos in English because I want to fluent my English and make it habit to see me in English videos. So let's get started. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. I know when you get your salary, you spend first and you are not following the golden rules. Pay yourself first rule is, when you get your salary, let's suppose you are earning 30,000 per month and you get the salary. So for the 50% of 30,000, you need to spend what needs are, like needs are rent, utilities bills, and etc. And the 30% of 30,000 you need to pay for the wants. We want to do shoppings, we want to watch movies, we want to eating out with my friends. So definitely it goes for the these things. And the main thing is 20% of your salary. It needs to go into the saving plus investing. Set an automatic transfer. Let's money work for you, not you for money. No, money work for you. Set an automatic transfer. Rule number 2, build your debt sheet. It means, I know you all have debts. And yes, because of the credit cards bills, you are making more debts. So the thing is, jobs pays you, but the credit cards bills makes you to pay out to the banks. So stay away from these debts and follow these golden rules. In 2026, set a goal to how to pay debts. Like you can use the avalanche and the snowball methods. You can use you can start paying the small debts. To know how to pay debt faster, I have already made a perfect videos for you. Just do one thing, there is a link, go and click and watch this video after end this video. Okay, now let's know rule number 3, which has completely changed my life, and now I'm going to change your life. So the rule number 3 is controlling financial hike. I know you will get raises, you will get the salary hike, you will get the promotions in every year, in every 2 or 3 years, right? And what do we you do when you get the salary hike or the promotions? Can you tell me? Of course, maximum people out of 195 people are doing buying a new expensive phones, buying new luxurious items just to show off the people. And the thing is, you know one thing, the inflation is also increasing and your salary is also increasing. And when you buy this luxurious item, The thing is, you are creating the debts. And when you create the debts, when you make these items equal, so the thing is, the moment where you were at before getting your salary hike, you were at the same place after getting your salary hike. And life is goes as the way that the things is going. So apply this golden rule which has changed my life. When I get a salary hike, let's suppose you are earning 30,000 per month, you get a 33% hike, which goes around like 10,000 rupees. And now your current salary is 40,000 and the salary hike is 10,000. So you need to do the amount that has been increased. You need to spend 50% of the amount, which is the 10,000 of 50% if we calculate, which is 5,000. So you need to spend or invest these money directly, to invest these money. So apply this rule and see yourself. Rule number 4, build your 6-month freedom of fund. Some people called it emergency fund, but I called it freedom of fund. Why? Let me tell you. Currently, if you are thinking you have the jobs and you can do anything, believe me, companies can fire you, companies can kick out at any time. You got trapped. Companies make you to sign all the condition, all the agreement, and later you got stuck. The thing is, this is not for the investing, this is not for the saving purpose, it is for the security purpose. When you have 6 months of freedom of fund, you will not going to scared of your boss. And eventually, in if companies fired you, then definitely you have a 6 month of freedom of fund. With this freedom of fund, you can think about the better decision in your career. So make it happen. Rule number 5 and last, invest in your work skills. I know your job is money making machines. Make it strong. Learn new things, learn new skills like AI, communication skills, and this is anything which can make you stronger, which makes you more value. The best investment is to invest in yourselves to improve your skills. The more you invest in yourselves, the more returns you will get in the futures. So start learning the new skills, which can be anything. Like I want to fluent my English, that's why I'm creating videos in English. And I'm teaching you in English. So you need to walk in your demanding skills and adapt the new skill. So that's all I wanted to say from this video. If you like it, hit one punch in like button, and if you want to share anything with me, just comment down and follow me in Insta. And yes, one more thing, if you want to know how to pay debts more in a fast way, then watch this amazing video. I know it's long, but it's enough for you. So let's see you soon in next video. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing, which makes you more value. Bye bye.